Hello, my name is Jocelyn. You've found my Scofield Studio page. This has a bunch of exercises and some tutorials on singing and ear training. This video is an ear training video, part of the HiTS series. There was a video I did that was like walking up the scale, doing intervals. So if you haven't done that one, go back and do that one before doing this one. This one is a little bit harder. So basically we're taking the same solfege scale, and instead of walking up from low do, which is what normally people do, this one does the opposite and it walks down from high do, which is a little bit harder on the ear, a little bit more challenging. So if you find this one too hard, go back and do the ascending one, because this one is the descending one. Okay, so here's the scale. And what we want is we want to start on the high do, and this is our like repetitive note. Everything starts and ends with this note. Do, do, ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, do. And then we walk back up. Do, 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 re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. So the hardest part about this exercise is getting those bigger intervals at the end. Do, re, bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 and hearing it as it's ascending, even though you're starting from the high note. So I'm going to play it again. I'm going to sing with you and play the notes. So the exercise slow walks down the solfege scale from high do. So you start with high do, do, and then you go to ti, do, ti, go back to do and sing do, la, la, which is a minor third or a little bit bigger jump, and then do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, and then do, and then you walk back up. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Okay, so I'll do it again. I won't sing this time. I'll just play. And we'll start with high do. So here we go. Ready, go. Do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, and then do, do. Then we sing do, do again, then walk back up. Do, 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 re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti. Here it is again. Sing along. Ready, go. Do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, 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 re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is a really good one to practice a cappella because you can just use the C major scale. If you sing high, you're up here. If you sing low, you sing down here. So the notes are the same, they're just an octave apart. Since I sing high, I'll usually demonstrate up there anyways. So this one is a good one to give yourself the first note, which for high singers is C5, for low singers is C4, or middle C. All right, I hope this is helpful and good luck.